Here I've got CAT S52, and let me show you how to check how to locate total screen time on the following device. So firstly, you have to open list of all apps, find and select the settings. Then here you have to locate digital well-being and parental controls, and just click on show your data. And as you can see right here, you've got screen time. If you will click on it one more time, you will be able to check the detailed information. So you can check each day and also each application. So for example, as you can see, yesterday camera was active for 26 minutes, settings just 1 minute. On Wednesday, settings were the most usable app, and that's how you can check the details, the statistics. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.